Tariffs continue to rattle global economic projections. The OECD has lowered its global growth forecast, now projecting a slowdown from 3.3% in 2024 to 2.9% in both 2025 and 2026.
Since our last interim outlook, we have further revised our projections for global GDP growth downwards. Global growth is projected to slow from 3.3% in 2024 to 2.9%, both for this year and next.
And this revision reflects the growing impact of the US-China trade war, which has disrupted supply chains, increased inflation, and created economic uncertainty worldwide. The global outlook could weaken further if protectionist policies intensify.
Bilateral tariff rights between the United States and its trading partners have risen sharply, with significant consequences for growth and for inflation. Measures of trade policy uncertainty based on print media have increased to unprecedented levels. Near-term indicators point to a weakening of economic activity, with surveys showing declining consumer confidence, with policy uncertainty also undermining business confidence.
The US economy is expected to grow just 1.6% in 2025 and 1.5% in 2026, down sharply from the earlier estimates. Tariffs have increased import costs, reducing consumer purchasing power and curbing corporate investment. Meanwhile, the US budget deficit is projected to rise to 8% of the GDP by 2026, driven by tax cuts and higher spending. In fact, China's growth remains resilient at an estimated 4.7% in 2025 and 4.3% in 2026, supported by government subsidies and welfare transfers. The Eurozone's growth, meanwhile, holds steady at around 1% in 2025, with support from labour markets and public spending. The UK's outlook is slightly weaker, with growth forecast at 1.3% this year and 1% in 2026. Central banks, including the Federal Reserve, are expected to hold rates this year before cutting them by 2026 to address the slowing growth.